we're gonna have, this is a first for me. Coming into Knysna.
Wow, I used to visit here often.
It's pretty.
Knysna Lagoon.
I'm telling you, it's beautiful.
Looks like one can drive across. Or is it a train bridge?
Looks like a train bridge. This is, I presume, Knysna CBD.
Busy place.
It's like crazy busy. But it's always been like
Yeah,
this.
always busy.
Been a hub.
Always busy.
But it's got a vibe of its own, this place, let me tell you. I think this is where we must go down. If this is Long Street.
And it is.
Is it?
It's an aisle, yeah.
Sorry, I didn't see the bump in the road. Wow, look at this.
Oh, it's nice here, eh?
I've never been over this before. Always just gone through.
What do you mean in Knysna?
Yeah.
You've never gone off the N2?
Off the N2 now.
I've been here a few times.
Thesen Islands.
Reminds me of Key West.
Doesn't it remind you of that? CSRI rescue.
Honorary Rangers Educational Garden. Sweet. South African National Parks Garden. Wow. It's a cool place.
Yeah.
When life hands you a burger, eat it.
Yes. That looks pretty over there.
Yeah.
Now, is that where people live? Is that home, houses, accommodation?
It does look like it. You mean that works for you?
Telling you one time. Knysna houseboats, my angel. This would be cool. Hi there, hi there. This, good, good. This looks cool, eh?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Can I come and have a look at one?
Yes.
Hi there.
Jump in here and see.
And this one?
Yeah, on this one.
Thanks, thanks. Wow. Check at this. It's just on the top. Can light tanning here. Wow. Cooking. Stove oven. This is crazy. Shower, toilet. And with a view like it, oh man, can you imagine? I would never want to come off of this thing. Telling you, wow, I would stay on it permanently.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so you need to be scanned in because this is now private property. Look at this. Stopped here at Tapas to have a cocktail.
I'm thirsty, man.
We're gonna have, this is the first for me, a strawberry daiquiri. And not what? It's a liter, which we have to share, a jug of it. Awesome, let's go for it. Wowzer. Strawberry daiquiri, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, it looks good.
Cheers.
Cheers, let me taste this. First time ever.
All right.
It looks stunning.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Smells just
Smells
strawberries.
delicious, yeah. Straw?
Not at all.
Good.
It's actually very nice. Great stuff.
Much nicer than beer, I told you.
A little snack while we have the daiquiris.